Okay, not a good day for fans, but it's been an okay day for Chris. Wonder if he saw these. There he is. I'll wait for him to notice. Those look like marine lamps. I had a friend who had a house full of these growing up. They had a much bigger one than this over their dining room table and a bunch of these over their breakfast bar. I don't know what good that is. It's literally all the fans. There used to be a ton up there. Not anymore. Chris has already been through this, so I'm assuming anything cool he's gotten. Okay, well that's it for today. Spoke too soon. Here's a fan I didn't see. It's a Stealth with looks like no hanging stuff and no control. For $45, not for me. Subway sign's pretty cool though. Let's see what Chris found there. Oh, some nice reflector bulbs. Okay, thanks for watching.